Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing from Italist. I wasn't going to buy anything for the new year, but I saw this online and it was 50% off and I had to get it. So it was my very first Fendi brand new purchase. And when I saw this, I was like, I really love it. And with the price, you just really can't beat it. And there was no tax because it's coming from Europe. So I got this wallet on chain and it's brand new. Let me show you what it looks like inside. So it has, it's hard to see because it's dark, but it has some card slots here and card slots here. And then in the back, there are also some card slots in the back. And then in the middle, there's a zipper compartment for coins. And there's a chain. It's a crossbody chain. It's gold hardware, as you can see. And it's detachable. So there's a place where you can put the chain here and here. Or you can take the chain off and use this as a clutch. And it's super cute and I love it. Oh, and here are some more card slots in the front. You can put bills up front here if you like to. Or you can put cards here. And it's pretty spacious, I have to say. You can put like a lip gloss and your cell phone. Yeah, I love it. It's actually navy color, but it looks really, really dark, so it looks almost black. So if you like videos like this, follow me on this channel. Just hit the subscribe button down below and follow me on Instagram at Designer Hall. See you next time.